On May 20th, our son Rocky Reyes turned 18, and on his 18th birthday, he was diagnosed with leukemia at Valley Children's Hospital. Since then, it's been an up and down situation for the past few months. What we do know is that he does need blood products. So all the blood drives that we have in the Central Valley, we're so thankful for that, we can help our son, but also just everyone else out in the valley as well, and sometimes other cities. There are good days and bad days, and leukemia is a hard thing for families to deal with, for sure, like anything else. But if you'd like to follow him and our journey and support our son, he is on caringbridge.com and under Rocky Reyes. It is mainly just a blog. It's an outlet for us, for those close family and friends that want to follow. But overall, we're just, like I said, we're very thankful for the support that we have here in the Valley. We love our son, and a lot of people love him as well. We have a lot of hope, and we're just looking forward to the next couple of years getting through his treatments, and for him to continue his young life. On August 13th from 3 to 8 p.m., we'll be holding a blood drive for our son. So we'd like to see you, so please come out.